Hey, what's up, guys? I saw a clay. I just bought it yesterday, so I get it packaged today from Amazon. Looks the knife and stem scram bar is very loose, so it's very cheap and very useful. See this knife. Guess what type it is? This is mine is FM81. It's Glock knife. It's special one. See how big it is? Oh my god! Wow, it's super cool. So right, here we go. And anyway. So it's very cheap, not like other knives, very tight. It has a camera here. See the camera? You have a can here. You know, you open the cans. That's survival things. Yeah, you know, pretty cool. Yeah. And same material is Glock pistol. Everyone knows Glock produced a pistol. Really cool Glock produced a pistol. So here we go. I got them up for everybody now. See that? See that one here? It's stuck. This is stuck here. And there's a Glock trademark here. Glock, and there's a trademark here. You see that? Here, the trademark. Glock. Trademark. So anyway, let's open it up. So my hands are stuck. See? Oh my god, it's really big. Can I open it here? But this knife is pretty made it very nice. See? It's a blade. Oh my gosh, it's a blade. And this is a saltese. Oh my god. Pretty nice. Everyone told me, but you full blade, you half blade, half salty. Half blade is half salties, half blade. This is pretty useful, Somebody you can survival, you salty down a tree, and you get robbed, you defend self. One sting or one stab, you get. I'm not sure. Well, yeah, I'm not sure stab people with this one. I know one stab is very harmful. People could die, seriously hurt. So, guys, watch out. Knife. So, see this blade, teeth blade here? Oh my god. See the teeth blade here? Oh my god. This can opener, yes, it can all the rough use, On internet, so I said, people use for any rough ways. You cut woods, open cans. I'm not sure my. Seems pretty lucky. In dangerous situation, you defend self, or you go at nighttime, you defend self. You carry as your carry EDC knives, carry knife with you, and you arm belt. So here we go. Anyway, this knife was. You carry here, you hang your belt in here. Yeah, you need such a wide arm belt, Even I know how to open it all. Here we go. Oh god damn. Crap. V. It's pretty sweat and threat. I know you hang a belt. And how do you do that? It's faster. You know, such a creepy thing. You know. Pretty easy. Pretty not easy. See? It's big knife. Oh my god. Anyway, it's pretty nice. Trim my hair. Wow. This is real things. But Glock is not considered pretty, you know. See? But useful. That's why it's so popular. Different from knives. Yeah, you know. Take it apart, take it off. Yes. Like that. Just it's not like that, you know. Cool.